Hi guys, my name is Ram Rawat and I'm recording this quick video to help you understand the behavior of SBI stock since last 1 month and how it can behave in the coming few days. So let's not waste your time and let's directly jump into the real-time analysis of the stock. So today's date and time is 11th of March, 3:18 p.m. The market is closing for the day and now we are inside the SBI stock. Okay, so this is a I just drew one small zone where the stock is resisting for last 1 month. If you see closely, the stock went up on 4th of Feb and it has been maintaining this support level, the support zone since last 1 month. It's been more than a month now, and then the stock is behaving only in upward direction since last 1 month from this support line, and it went down at certain level, but we'll talk about it, what actually happened over there and how it went down. And this video is just for educational purpose and we are only going to talk about the mathematics involved here, the numbers involved here. We're not going to talk about the external factors. We are just going to talk about the numbers which are actually the patterns we are going to talk about, and we are going to see how it is actually behaving. So if we are here right now, and if you see closely, the stock went up to the highest level here, that is 426, something like this, and then it came down, up, down, down. So I see a triangular pattern over here. Like, okay, let's simplify things. Let's not go into the complicated structures. Okay. So if you see closely, the price went up to this level. Okay, second. Then it got rejected at this level, and then again there is one more rejection of the price. Like the resistance is there, and you see the resistance is here also. Okay, or we can make it a little more. Something like this. Okay, so there is a rejection of the price, and the stock price came down after that. So this resistance is there. Okay, then if you see, if I zoom it, there is one more pattern over here where it is getting support. This. So this is a support pattern. Okay, so this is a resistance trend line. This is a support trend line. If you see, stock went up, it got rejected, and that the price was rejected at this point, and then it came down, went up, came down, went up, came down. For all the experts who, if any expert is watching this video, I just want to tell you that I'm very new to the market. I've been studying the stock since last 1 month only, and I'm not an expert, and if I make any mistake on the basis of any terminology, please consider it as a newbie mistake. But I'm a guy who is understanding the math, and I'm just trying to predict things based on the mathematical behavior of the stock. So if you see here, the stock went up, got the resistance, came down, went up, got the resistance, came down, went up, got the resistance, came down, and there was a consistent support trend line over here, and it got the support, got even there is one support, it went up and then it got the support again and went up, and then it was trying to get the support, but there was a breakout, and there was a breakout on this 5th of March, and with this breakout the stock went down for like the whole day, I think. Yeah, so on 5th of March the stock went down for the whole day, but you see the pattern over here is, this is the pattern the stock is following, and there was a breakout here. Okay, now we move towards this side, and if you see here, I want to hide those numbers because those are the numbers, the final numbers, which can come as a prediction. So let's just see what is happening over here. After 5th of March the stock went down, or from 5th of March the stock went down, then it came up to this level, then came down, up, down, up, down. Okay, and this zone, this rectangle I created, this is a support zone for like last 1 month. If you see chart, this is a support zone for last 1 month. The stock is consistently getting support on this level, this zone, in this zone. Okay, so this was our pattern. There was a breakout at this point. Now we have to study what is happening over here. So if you see, the stock is again getting after this breakout, this was the lowest of the stock in last 1 month. If you see, this was the lowest point of the stock in last 1 month. This was around 385, yeah, 385, 386, something like that. So when this breakout happened, the lowest of the stock got hit, and there was a further low the stock has achieved, which is around 379 or something like that, 378. So now this is the lowest of the stock in last 30-40 days. Okay, so this is an important level, I would say. I can just draw a simple line over here. Okay, so this is an important level. Okay, around 379, something like this. And if you see the stock after this day, like from 5th of March, after the end of the 5th of March, the stock is getting a resistance at this point, then at this point, and then somewhere here. Okay, so there is a support trend line here. Okay, this pattern is already done. It was behaving in this pattern, then there was a breakout. Now this is behaving in this pattern. See, price came down, got the support, went up, price came down, got the support, went up, price came down, got the support. So now this is a new triangle that is actually under which the stock is behaving. This line, this horizontal line, and this support line, this is a new line. Okay, so now this is our new area of zone which we have to study. This area, this triangle. So in coming few days, today is 11th of March, the day has ended for the stock, the stock exchange is closed, but 12th of March, that is tomorrow, Friday, the stock is going to, when the stock market is going to open, this particular pattern can be broken. Okay, there can be a breakout from this pattern. See this. So this is our area of interest, or the triangle zone which we have to focus on. So if I zoom and I move towards this side, see, I don't know, I'm very new to the market, so I don't know how this tool works, but I can see things here that this is the kind of pattern we are getting. And like since the stock has shown a big support zone in this area, that is between 393 and this one is like 386, 387, something like this. And so there is a good chance to get inside the market when the stock breaks out from this pattern. It can go in either in this direction, it can go in this direction, but we must enter the market only when it is above this it is above this line, that is above 393, when the stock is going above 393, or when the stock is going below this 387, something like this, 387, 386. So but again, it's not just about the numbers. Like if I draw a horizontal line and you can, if it goes below this and you start selling the stock, or when it goes up above this and you start buying the stock, you have to understand the behavior of the price. You have to see the pattern of the this whole triangle over here. If the stock is getting this support, see, if it continues with this thing, See, suppose it goes up, comes down, goes up, and from it is going up. Okay, it is going up. Then you can actually enter the market and you can purchase the stock. But if it goes down, like from here it goes down, then you will have to, you'll have to sell the stock, and from there you can have the first target of like if it comes out, like it breaks out this pattern, this line. It's like, okay, so if it breaks out this line, this support line, then the stock can go down. The condition is like if it breaks out this line, if this line is broken, then and only then it can go down and it can achieve this lowest level, that is 379. So from this level, that is 386 to 379, you have a good number of, like I think 7 to like 5 to 7 points to gain here. So you can, if you are an intraday trader, you can actually, once this trend line is broken, then you can actually get inside the market for those 4 to 6. Actually, it's 5 to 7, I would say. So, but for a safer side, you can actually enter the market for those 4 to 5 points. And even if it is going down, it is breaking out either from here, or it is breaking out like from here. So like maybe tomorrow market opens and it breaks out from here, from this towards this side, then also like you'll have to understand, like if it is breaking this proper trend line, then it is going down, and if it is going down, then you have to book your profits from this level to this level. That is like stage 1. And if it goes further, like it goes like it breaks the lowest of the stock since last 1 month, that is 378. If it goes further below, then you can have a new target, and the new target can be around this line where there was a big gap. So it can be around this 358. So that can be your second target if the stock is going in the downward direction. Then 358 can be your second target. So this is about like shorting the stock. I think that's the right term. Then if the market is going up, if this line, this resistance is broken, then you can actually get inside the market at this level. Like you can enter around 393, 394, something like that, and you can expect a target up to 402. So why 402? See, if I talk about selling the stock, there is a target of 379 because this is the lowest of the stock in last 30-40 days. But when we talk about the buying of the stock, then why 402? So if you look closely, there was a rise of price up to this level, that is around 401, 402. It got the resistance, it came down. I'll just zoom it. It got the resistance and it came down, got the resistance, came down, got the resistance, came down. So this is a strong resistance, I would say. Okay, and then there is again like this particular resistance has been achieved like 3-4 times in last 30-40 days. So I think this is a good target. The number can be like 401, 403 because it will depend on how much like where I put my line. Okay, so I would say like this can be your first target for bullish market. So if you enter the market and if you want to sell the your stock, you can, like if you enter here somewhere around 392, 393, you can sell it around 401, 402. So you can book a profit of around 8 to 10 points. And if you want to go very short, then you can even like pick this target, which is around like it's like 401, 402, 403. So I would say like you can actually book a profit of 8 to 10 points if the market goes bullish. Again, I am very new to the market. If I make any mistake, please consider me a newbie and please forgive me. But this is just a mathematical analysis, and I think even you are understanding the pattern of the stock here. So if it is like, breaking out from this triangular zone, and it is going up, then you can enter the market at 394, I would say, and you can go up to 401, 402. You can book your profits up to that level. And if it goes down, you can book your profits from 386 to 379. So 5 to 7 points here. And since I'm really new to this whole website, whole UI, I might not use the proper tool which experts are using, but I think I'm in the right direction. So this is going up, this is down. So we have our first targets of bullish market here, bearish market over here, and now we can see the second target. So second bullish target can be up to this level, that is 413. Again, like you see, there is one more resistance of the stock, a good resistance, which we have seen at one time, 2 times, 3 times. So I think this can be your second target, 413. And if you want to go for a higher target, you can even consider this third target, that is around 425. So that can be your third target. But I would recommend to book the profits in the small zones. And for people who are new, I would recommend to book the profits in small zone instead of if you want to wait for the to the profits after some time, you can of course hold the stock and you can book a profit up to 425. But if we are talking about the short trading, then this can be your first target, this can be your second target, and we will also talk about the stop loss. We can't just stop here. If we are going in either direction, if we are going in the bullish market, then we have to see what can be our stop loss. So if we are going from this point to this point, then our stop loss can be since this is the resistance, right? This is the this is the support. So we can have a stop loss wherever the market is breaking out this zone. Let me just delete the rest of the lines so it will become easier, because there are too many lines here. I'll just delete this. I don't know how to delete this. Okay, is it deleting? Okay, delete. Oops. I don't know how to delete this. Okay, delete. Anyway, leave it. So if you see here, 1 second. Okay, that's deleted. So if we avoid the previous trends, we can just focus on the new trend here, so that we are on the right direction. If we zoom here, and if we okay, so this is the support line, this is the new support line, this is our resistance line for the current zone. For last 2-3 days the stock is between this area. So what can happen here is if the market goes up, then we can have a support. Suppose at this point the market is going up, then at you can actually consider your stop loss near this this support zone. You can put it over here. If this is 388, you can put your stop loss at 387 for the bullish market. And if you are going in for this one, again, I'm only talking about short trading, so I would recommend if this is breaking out over here, then you should put your stop loss somewhere here only. And if the market is bearish, so suppose market goes down, then you can put your stop loss somewhere here. This is 393.5, I would say 394, 395 gas pass, somewhere near that. You can actually put your stop loss for the bearish market. So I'll just zoom out, and you can see these can be our targets. This is for bullish market, this is for bearish market. And again, the numbers can vary in plus minus 1 or 2. Like instead of 402, people might be saying it's 403, 401, or 400. So this is just like, at what level, suppose I have zoomed out at this level and I just draw the line over here by seeing the top of the candles, then it can be 40 like here, then 403, 402. So it's just like there can be plus minus 1 or 2, but like these can be your important targets for coming days for the SBI stock. And the thing is, like, this is my first video about stock marketing, and I've been studying the stock market for last 1.5 months, I think, and I find it really interesting, the way the behavior of the charts, the behavior of the candles, the overall analysis of the whole patterns and everything. Like, this is really interesting, and I think as a newbie, I'm learning a lot of things, and I still have, like, I would say I have learned hardly 1% of the whole stock market, and there is like 99 more steps to take. But the key to the whole thing is, I think, the patterns. If we, especially for people who are in short-term trading, they should focus on the numbers, they should focus on the patterns, and they should book their profits for the smaller differences. That's what I feel. But again, like, this is just a study which I felt I should share with people. And if you like the video, you can click the like button, you can subscribe the channel, or you can share it with other people. And I'm really sorry if I made any mistake. I'm a complete newbie again, and I'm just telling newbie, and I'm just trying to fit into this stock market, trying to understand the whole thing. And if I learn something new, I'll try to share something new again with my upcoming videos. And thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, have a great weekend.